Justin Sparks, Sparks Law Firm, DWI in Texas. Remember, two things happen after an arrest for DWI. One is a potential for a license suspension. Two is that formal charge in court. Let's focus on the formal charge in court. Now, how do we get the best outcome in that formal charge in court? First, proactive. It's extremely important to be proactive. And two, leave no stone unturned. We want to crawl through everything in detail in order to get that best possible outcome. That starts with discovery. One of the biggest advantages we have through this process is we have a right to discovery of the prosecutor's file. They do not have a right to discovery of our file. So we want to get everything: police reports, statements, witness statements, blood results, breath results, field sobriety results, pictures, video, whatever they have, we want it all. We want a copy of everything. We want to go through it with a fine-tooth comb and see what all they have. Does the officer's narrative in the report match what's on the video? We don't know until we get it all, right? First thing we want to look at is the stop, okay? They had a reason to stop. Maybe there's an accident, maybe there wasn't, maybe they pulled you over for a traffic violation. We want to review that and we want to compare the report with the video. Does it match? Was there actually a traffic stop? Does it actually show it on the video? Next thing we want to look at is field sobriety test. Is that officer certified to give field sobriety test? When was their last certification? How often have they been certified? Did they re-up? Did they take a course? Was it a short course, a long course? Did they follow the field sobriety test? There are all kinds of questions like these that need to be asked, need to be looked at. Next thing to look at is ultimately they made a decision to arrest. Why did they arrest? What reasons did they use? What reasons did they put in the report? Are those in the video? Can you actually see those? Did it involve your speech? Does your speech sound fine on the video? Is that how you always sound? We need to look at all of that. Now, once they arrest, did you take a breath or blood test? We need to look at that. The breath test. Did they read you the right warnings before they asked for that breath? Is that machine you blew in working properly? Was it calibrated? How long ago was it calibrated? What about the people that blew before you? Were their test results invalid or not? We need to look at all of that. The blood, what lab they sent it to? Are they forensically certified or not? Have they been in trouble in the past? All of that needs to be looked at, okay? Now, as you can see, there's no exact math or science to this. We have to get the discovery. We have to look at it all. We have to be proactive and do that as soon as possible. We don't sit around and wait on court dates. We need that information. We know what we want. Let's go get it. Let's go through it. Let's figure out, once we go through all of that information, what is the best path for us to choose to achieve that best possible outcome.